So there's a couple different ways that you can add a MOGRT file or a motion graphics template file into Premiere. So I have opened up a brand new project here. Nothing's imported. What you want to do is find your graphics templates panel or window. If you don't see that just when you open Premiere, go up to Window and then make sure graphics templates is checked. Now, once you're in the graphics template panel, there's a couple of options for you to add a motion graphic. First, there's this little button right here, Install Motion Graphics Template. You click on that, it opens up a folder and you can navigate to wherever you have your MOGRT file downloaded and you can open it up, and that's one way to add it. Or another way is you can just take, if you already have a folder open, you can just click and drag it and drop it in that way. Both I feel like are really simple and pretty straightforward. Also, another piece of information that might be helpful is if you need to find where all of these are stored, just drop down this local templates folder, right click and click in Reveal in Finder, and this will pop up where all of your motion graphics are stored. This can be helpful in case you need to share a motion graphic with someone else or copy it or whatever you need. You can add additional folders for Premiere to look at if you have multiple places where you have motion graphic files stored, and that's what this plus button is for, is to add an additional folder. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.